Okay, tell us who you are and what company you're with.
My name is Irina and I am the co-founder of the Muse Gel Company. We are located in Toronto, Canada, and this is our first time here.
Thank you for coming.
Thank
Appreciate
you
that.
for-
What kind of demo are we doing
So
now?
we are doing the dual forms with inserts inside to create the perfect smile line without filing.
Well, I'd love to see that. How does-
Yeah. So now we prepared the nail. This is our dual form. You need until you will hear the click. It's hard to remove without the natural nail. When you press the nail,
yeah,
it's much
yeah,
easier
yeah.
to remove because you can squeeze.
Attached to the finger.
Exactly, yes. So, but later you will hear like, this is how to remove it. Because the forms are reusable and the inserts are reusable too. I need some help, Betty. My fingers are not strong enough. Yeah, can you help me? I need your help.
I'm the wrong person to ask for that, so I hope you can give it. Because other than that, you got
I do
hurt.
nails
Yeah,
for
it's because
10
when it
years.
has nothing to hold on, it's like
Yeah,
much
it's hard to
harder.
remove. When it's
Oh,
cold, it's much
definitely.
easier.
here.
Okay, here I
You're
go.
making it?
Yay, it's coming.
I heard a pop.
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
So the shape is already pre-made. The smile line is already done.
And that would be on your client's hand.
Exactly.
Wow. Wow.
Fast and easy. Any shape,
That is
any
crazy.
color, any smile line.
That is amazing. What's your web address?
It's musegel.com.
Usegel.com. Thank
Yeah,
you,
thank
Irina.
you.
I appreciate you coming. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.